Hi everybody, my name's Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. I thought I'd talk today about a great Australian hat. It's the brand called Akubra. It's the whenever you think about a bush hat or a sun hat, you think Akubra. So here's the Style Master. It's one that you don't normally think about as traditional because the more traditional hats are there's some of them one here. Um, are more like this, and I'll do a review on this at a later date. The Style Master is very much a sort of traditional fedora trilby style. It's can snap on up or snap down like that, and it's a great summer or winter hat. It is really good at drying out after the rain, unlike some of the other lighter felts that we have. It's quite a heavy hat. It's this one's a browny color, and it sort of looks like on. Um, it's yeah, it sits quite nicely on the head. I normally have a bit of a tilt there and wear it up like that, or down like that, and then more formal or informal. It looks absolutely great. Feels great. It's got a very nice leather band on the inside, as you can see, sweatband, and then a lovely lining inside, which you can, of course, take out. In the summertime, it can be a bit hot with the lining in. I must say, I wear it with the lining in all the time. So this is a really nice, classy looking hat. Its stiffness is really good. It's going to stay pretty solid over the years that you have it. It's nicely trimmed on the edge here with binding, giving it a good bit of shape. Beautiful teardrop in the top here. So it's just a nice hat. It looks very much like the Stetson Whippet. Pleased to have it in my collection. It's mid-priced, I suppose, really. Value-wise, one of the best value hats on the marketplace. So if you're looking to get a hat to do you throughout the year, and you only want 2 or 3 hats in your collection, I would say the Style Master is really well worth a look. If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.